Really bad smells erased with baking soda. Well, if you have been plagued with bad smells in your house that you have no idea what to do about, stop trying to cover them up. Now you will have a solution. It's as simple as baking soda. Number 1. Really stinky toilet. Why house cleaners do not tell you their tricks to less cleaning and scrubbing is obvious. You won't need them anymore. To clean the toilet, first flush the toilet, then dump a cup of baking soda in. Close the lid and let the bubbles do the scrubbing for you. Return in about an hour and flush. Number 2. Smelly shoes. Sprinkle a teaspoon in stinky shoes. You know it's possible you may be able to wash those tennis shoes in the washer. Then keep them clean smelling with baking soda. Number 3. Bad smelling refrigerator. This one is easy. Sprinkle a half cup into a bowl. Place the bowl in the refrigerator. It does help to remove the old rotting food, though do that first. Number 4. Bad smell emanating from armpit. If you need a deodorant lift during the day, mix up half cup baking soda with 6 drops of your favorite essential oil. The essential oil must be edible, not synthetic. You could try lavender rose, lang lang or geranium or even a drop of each of them. Mix together and place in a small cosmetic jar. Take this video in your purse along with a big makeup brush. Dust it on your armpits. Number 5. Stinky hands after cutting onions. Onions are the latest miracle food and you will soon be reading about its cancer-killing ability. There is every reason to eat more of them. After slicing onions, make a few tablespoons baking soda in a cup of water and wash your hands in this mixture. Do not forget to rinse.